Current Electric relies on SVA for its tax planning, its succession planning, making sure that all the employees are being properly taken care of, and making sure our employees are up to the task that they have at hand. I'm Chuck Smith, founder and president of Current Electric. We've been in business about almost 39 years. I started the company with just Chuck in a truck, and we've grown to over 160 employees now. It's been a wild and illuminating ride, and we energize and illuminate customers with top quality service that wows. And we came to SVA because, one, we know their longevity is going to outlast us, and they have all the expertise that we need as a growing business. My CFO gets all the information he needs to properly run the company. Our HR director gets all the information that they need to properly make sure that we're taking care of our employees. SVA helps us out with our year-end tax planning, going forward, how to come out of the year. They've also helped us set up all the different accounts. As a service company, we have construction, we have service, and we have solar. So they helped us maintain and make sure that we're keeping all those accounts properly organized and making sure that they're all profitable and how well they're doing. One of the things that's so hard as a business owner with everything that's changing in the environment, such as even the PPP and everything because of the pandemic, it's hard to keep abreast of all that and what we should do. So it's really important to be able to share with other business owners best practices, and SVA makes sure they bring that to the table for us. They make sure that we're doing it right, they make sure their other businesses are doing it right, that they're maintaining, and we know that we're on top of the freshest and best information of how to plan. As a business owner, you should always be getting with the end in mind, as Stephen Covey says. And it's important for us to know what that looks like for our employees. And SVA has brought us ideas as far as ESOP and all kinds of succession planning to make sure that we're heading in the right direction. Make sure the value of the business is there, and make sure the people and the employees, which are so important to run the business, are taken care of in that process. So SVA has also helped us review employees and make sure they're up for the challenge that we have to offer them. Whether they're someone that's a project manager or someone on staff that's doing the books, they make sure that those people are up to speed and the right fit for what we need. That's been very helpful in making sure that we've got the right people to do the job to really help SVA, and then SVA helps us make sure that they're doing the best job we can possibly achieve. SVA is a full service provider that really can take care of all of your business needs. If you're a business looking for someone that can really take care of you and have the longevity to make sure that you're doing business properly, SVA should be your choice.